Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Davis Techies. Today's video is about how to interface this soil moist sensor using Arduino. So we can go to the video. So this is the soil moist sensor. I have already introduced it in my previous video. I will give the link in the description box to view that video. So there are 4 pins here. One is VCC, second ground, then digital output, then analog output. So we can move on to the connections. So this is the code. So if you are connecting it in analog output, change it in the A0, and if you are connecting it to digital output, connect the soil moist sensor to pin number 13, and here you want to write 13. So I am not connecting it to that pin number 13. So I am connecting it to analog 0. So we can test it. So click upload. Okay, it's uploaded, and and click serial monitor, and I'm gonna I'm going to dip this sensor in this water. You can see this value changes to 0, and when I remove it from that, it changes to 1. 0. So that is the working of soil moist sensor. Thank you. Hope you all like this video. So today we or I explained you about how to use this soil moist sensor using this Arduino Uno. So so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Click here to watch my previous video and click here to subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.